Welcome to the introduction of Poolparts. For some of you not so familiar with the terminology, Poolparts, the first thing what comes to mind is a swimming pool. Well, that is of course not what is meant by Poolparts in this presentation. In the airline industry, it is quite common to not own all of your spare parts. It is far more economical to join other operators with the same aircraft and share parts. This was already the case for the E1, where KLC joined Air France Industries' Spareliners pool. With the introduction of the E2, KLC joined Embraer in a separate pool. Although most of the components in the E2 differ from E1, there are some exceptions. About 40 components are installed in both fleets. However, components supplied by Embraer for the E2 are not allowed to be installed in the E1, and vice versa. At this moment, Amos is not able to show the separate stock properly yet. Amos will only check current part number stock against the total required quantity. When there is more or just the requested amount in stores, Amos will show this as a green sign, which indicates that the requested amount is available in stores, even if this belongs to a different fleet. For instance, if you have two work orders for the E1, for the same part, which is a common pool part, Amos may show a green sign, as if all parts are available. But, if one of the parts is an E2 part, then this might not longer be the case. As you can imagine, this situation can be very tricky. Because the available stock may not really be available for a specific aircraft, the result could be that stores cannot supply parts, even though aircraft maintenance or planning thought enough stock was available to perform the work. Together with Swiss Aviation Software, the supplier of Amos, we are working to solve this issue, but we expect this may take several months. In the meantime, to prevent disappointment of not getting the part you requested, we introduced several measures. Most parts have stock of both pools. This would mean that there will only be a problem if there is no or not enough available stock of one specific pool. A warning pop-up appears in Amos for the Logistics Service Center when they try to pick a part from the wrong pool in order to avoid problems with the pool providers. Additional marking for material unit to warn them about possible stock availability issues. A warning that orders need to be placed to fulfill open part requests. Common pool parts will have special markings in the remarks section. As in this example, the part has a special marking, COM-POO. Stock will be shown as restricted and is colored yellow. However, these are all measures in the supporting process to determine if stock is available for your aircraft, part request, or pick slip. You have to check the stock information. There is only one exception. Large parts have the location, PAL with 4 digits. Parts from both pools may be located here. If you are interested, a full list with all common pool parts is available as an attachment. Thank you for your time.